let's start. Let's see how we can create this presentation and how it looks like. Okay, you see it's have a great effect. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to add a new slide. In the blank space, we need to create these shapes. How this shape then created? These shapes are in the insert menu, and here shapes, you can find them here. Okay, but some of you may ask, it's not the shape we're using and it looks different. I agree with you. We are going to align it. How? We are going to align it. We are going to decrease it in size. Now it's the shape we are going to use. We need to bring it here, and don't forget to increase its size. Another one. See, we need to decrease them size, and another one. Okay, that's good. Now we select all of them and set the shape outline to none. But the important thing is that at first we need to recolor them. For example, we are going to color this thing like purple, and I like the red, but the red is not good for the eyes and I don't recommend it. A little green, and the last one I'm going with a blue. Okay, we create them. Now we need to copy the text. This is just a simple text. We copy them. I do nothing special on the text, but you need to align it. Let me bring it here. And this text, okay, it's good. And the last text is a different thing. You see, the last text is why it's different, because the last text and the icon is important. I'm going to tell you more about them, but let me at first copy them. Okay. We bring this thing to front. Why is it different? How I created this thing? This icon, you can download it from the insert icons. You can find it and download it. After downloading that, you need to create this shape. This shape is a little trick. I want you to create it yourself. But if you don't understand, I'll give you a hint. It's in the shadows, and this shadow is good for the shape. Now for this telegram, I don't like this option. I'm going to use something more easy. And now it's created. But the important thing is that, let me look here. Here you see an effect, but we don't have that effect here. And also these edges are not as beautiful as it should be. What you should do, we should select all the shapes, go to present, and give them this shadow. Okay, now everything is ready. We just need to make the transition. But before that, we need to regroup the shapes. We select 2 by 2 and group them. It's for the animation part. It's absolutely needed to do them. And the order is important. You must group them from right to left. Sorry, I don't pick all of them. Now group them. Okay, now I'm going to select all of them and go to animation and give them flying animation, but with the effect that they are going to come from the left. And I'm going to increase the time to 3 seconds. Now let me run it. You see, 3 seconds is a lot of time. I'm going to go with, it's a good time. You see? And the effect is appear. If you like this kind of presentation, you can find many of them in my channel, and don't forget like and subscribe. Have a nice time.